So today we are going to be talking about NFTs in detail. The video will cover three topics. Number 1, what are NFTs? Second, how to invest in an NFT. And third, how to list your own NFT to make profit. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. So let's start with what are NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible token, which basically means that it is a one-of-a-kind digital asset that belongs to you and you only. The most popular NFT right now includes artwork and music, but can also include videos and even tweets. NFT basically is a digital art that you can invest in or even make your own and list it for somebody to buy. The most expensive NFT ever bought was for $69.3 million and it was made by Beeple.
Oh my god! 50 million! What? Oh my god! 69 million?
I think it probably means digital art is here to stay.
I'm going to Disney World!
This NFT was bought by Vignesh. He believed in the power and potential of NFT.
That's why last week he made headlines for buying digital art for $70 million from an artist in America.
Headlines is why would anyone pay $69 million for a JPEG and a hyperlink?
There are many different platforms that can give you the access to buy and sell NFTs. Some of these platforms are free to use and some are just invite-only platform. Like on the Platform Foundation, you can't list an NFT until someone already on that platform invite you. But on the other hand, we can use OpenSea. It's an even bigger platform. It doesn't even matter if you are a digital artist or not. Anything related to a creative thought can be listed and bought. Even a tweet can be bought. Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter and Square, sold his first NFT as a tweet for over $2.9 million on Monday when bidding ended on the valuables. Platforms which is run by Sind, a blockchain-powered social media network. The tweet, which says, "Just setting up my Twitter," was posted by Dorsey on March 21, 2006. NFTs are digital assets including JPEGs and video clips that can be bought and sold just like physical assets, and since they are run on blockchain that document transactions, ownership and validity of each can't be tracked. In March, Dorsey said that all the money from this NFT sale would be converted to Bitcoin. Dorsey gift will be specially go to Africa where COVID-19 responds. So this shows that NFT has a lot of potential. There was also another crazy NFT bot which was called the Neon Cat. It has over 185 million views on YouTube. The design of my Neon Cat was inspired by my cat Marty, who crossed the rainbow bridge but lives on its spirit, wrote its creator on the sale page of the NFT of Neon Cat. It ended up selling for 300 Ethereum, which was equal to $500,000.
Going twice.
Going twice.
History.
Yes.
Wow.
Sold.
The time ended up being about $560,000 worth of cryptocurrency.
So going to the next point, I want to tell you about the crazy NFT which was sold for $91.1 million. Taking the number 1 spot as the most expensive NFT ever sold, there is the merch, by digital artist Park. Park, another big name in the NFT space, having created some of the most ironic artwork out there. The artist's actual identity remains a mystery, but that hasn't stopped him from making a lot of money. Of all the NFTs Park has created, the merch is the most creative one. Rather than creating a static art piece, the merch was a collection of messes. The more folks spent, the larger their messes got. All these messes are lumped under the same creation, and with total sales coming out of $91.8 million, it makes the merch the most expensive NFT sale by a mile. This blew everyone's mind. No one ever thought that an NFT could be bought for this much money. The NFT market is a very big market and it is expanding day by day. More and more creators are coming to this market every day and testing their luck. So that shows that NFT has a lot of potential. So now I am going to head to the second point and I am going to tell you how you can invest in your own NFT. So you can't buy an NFT that simply. You need to first create a crypto wallet because you can't buy NFT through dollars. Price of NFT is basically in a cryptocurrency called Ethereum, and all NFTs have a particular price in Ethereum, like 0.1, 0.2 and so on. So the first step is you have to create a crypto wallet. The most common one are MetaMask. You can convert any currency to Ethereum. So like I'm going to put $20 in my MetaMask wallet and convert that to Ethereum. There are different platforms that you can use to buy NFTs. The top exchanges are OpenSea, XZ Infinity, Rarible, Super Rare, Mintable, Nifty Gateway, Foundation. These are the top trusted platforms that you can use to buy NFTs. First, you need to get your MetaMask address. You can do that by going to Network, selecting Ethereum mainnet and then click on Buy. And then click on Deposit from Wallet. After that, copy the address. Then open Binance Desktop. Then click on Wallet and then click on Fiat and Spot. After that, a tab will open. Go to Ethereum and then click on Withdraw. And paste the address and select ERC20. And then enter the amount of Ethereum and click on Withdraw. It can be really helpful if you want to transfer Ethereum from a Binance to MetaMask. Now let's talk about how to transfer Ethereum from COINBASE to MetaMask. First go to MetaMask and then click on Network and then click on Ethereum mainnet and then click on Buy and then click on Directly Deposit. Then copy the address and head over to COINBASE. Click here and then you will see a pop-up window. And then select Ethereum. Then enter the amount of Ethereum you want. And then paste the address you copied from MetaMask wallet. And then your Ethereum will be transferred from COINBASE to MetaMask. Now after getting Ethereum into my wallet, I can just go to any NFT I want to buy and click on Buy. But before I do that, I have to connect my MetaMask wallet to my OpenSea. After connecting my wallet, I can just click on Buy and it will instantly take me to the checkout point. It is a very simple way that how you can invest and make profit by investing in NFT. So now let's move to the third and the last point. I'm going to tell you that how you can list your own NFT on OpenSea and make a lot of money through that. It is a really easy and similar process as buying an NFT. First of all, you have to create a wallet and then connect your wallet to the OpenSea. As buying an NFT, it is very similar. After that, you have to pay a simple transaction fees called the gas fees, and it might be similar or might be different to mine depending upon the price of Ethereum at the particular time. The gas fee is basically a transaction fees to place an NFT on the platform. After you have Ethereum into your wallet, which is the gas fees, you have to click on create and then add a logo. The logo will be the picture that people are going to see. I can put any kind of file such as PNG or JPEG or even video MP4 file. Then I can add a name of my NFT and I can also tell OpenSea how much units are available for this particular NFT. After that, add a price to your NFT. For example, it will be 0.1 Ethereum for mine. And after that, I can just list it on the platform and wait for a buyer to buy it. Now you have to be patient about it and wait for a buyer to buy it for a particular price. So that was it for today guys. I hope you learned something new and you learned how to list and buy your own NFT. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and like this video for further information about NFTs and crypto. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day.